Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into IPTV Smarters on Firestick. Before we start, a shout out to our sponsor, www.2tv.store. Begin by turning on your Firestick and ensuring it's connected. Navigate to the Settings menu by using your Firestick remote. In Settings, select My Fire TV and proceed to Developer Options. Enable apps from unknown sources. Important for downloading IPTV Smarters. Go back to the home screen and locate the Find option. Select the Search option and type in Downloader using the on-screen keyboard. Download the Downloader app to facilitate further installation. Open the Downloader app and allow necessary permissions for it to work. In Downloader's home, enter the IPTV Smarters download URL to proceed. Click Go and wait for the download to complete. Let patience guide you. Once downloaded, you will be prompted to install IPTV Smarters. Select Install, and in a few moments, your app will be ready. Open IPTV Smarters and enter your IPTV provider details for access. For this, we recommend www.2tv.store for a robust IPTV lineup. Explore endless entertainment with IPTV Smarters on your Firestick. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides. Thank you for watching. We hope you have a superb streaming journey.